Welcome. Today we are going to discuss 10 business books everyone should read. Inside this book is value and nuggets for business. Number 1, Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. This book will help you to succeed in any line of work. It includes 20 years of study of people who have reached high economic success, high financial success. Number 1, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The objective is to help you to succeed in any line of work and to read the interviews of 20 years of study of people who have achieved great financial success. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. Number 2, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is a mindset book. It impacts the way that you look on life and your finances. It defines the difference between assets and liabilities and gives you a different way of thinking about money. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki gives you a different impact on the way that you think about money. It defines the difference between assets and liabilities and gives you a mindset shift on the way that you think about money. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Number 3, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is going when you are thinking about investing in the stock market and you would like to build wealth through the stock market. The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham. This is for when you are thinking of investing in the stock market. Perhaps you are new to the stock market or you are interested in learning more about the stock market. The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham. So this book is for stocks in particular and goes into the in-depth study of stocks, and particularly stocks and the stock market. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. A good book to add to your business book collection. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Number 4, Tony Robbins, Money, Master the Game. This book is for when the money starts coming in and you want to know what to do with it. Inside the book is advice from Ray Dalio, and inside the book is strategies of the super wealthy. Tony Robbins, Money, Master the Game. So this is when you have the money coming in and you would like to know what to do with it. There's advice from Ray Dalio and strategies of the super wealthy. A good book to add to your collection, but this book is after you have learned how to have the money coming in. This is Tony Robbins, Money, Master the Game. Number 5, The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. This book gives arguments against other books. So inside this book is a different path to wealth than the traditional paths. It goes through different arguments against other business books. The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. Arguments against other books, different way of thinking, and a different pathway to wealth. The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. Number 6, The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Inside this book is the science of how habits are created. So habits are important in terms of reaching your destiny. Habits are important in terms of reaching your ultimate goals. Habits are important in terms of reaching your results. So inside this book is the science of how habits are created. The Power of Habit, Charles Duhigg. the science of how habits are created. It talks about the power of habit and the science behind habits. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Number 7, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book talks about how to win friends and how to influence people. This book is important in terms of networking and important in terms of building the relationships that are needed to reach your goal. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie goes into how to win friends, how to influence people, talks about the likability factor, the importance of developing friendships, and how to actually develop the friendships. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Number 8, The $100 Startup by Chris Gilbio. This book is for when you want to start a business, and it talks about how to establish a lucrative business. So perhaps you are a first-time business owner and you are thinking about getting into business. This is a great guide when you want to start a business and you want to establish a lucrative business. The $100 Startup by Chris Gilbio. When you want to start a business and you want to establish a lucrative business. The $100 Startup by Chris Gilbio. Number 9, E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. This is if you are struggling with your first business and you are working on your business versus working in your business. So E-Myth Revisited, Michael E. Gerber. This is if you are struggling in your first business. This will help to smoothen the transition and give you a greater understanding of the business world. E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. If you are struggling with your first business and you're working on your business versus working in your business. E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. Number 10, 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. This focuses on what industries will be disrupted in the future. This is for when you are ready to disrupt an entire industry. 0 to 1, Peter Thiel. When you're ready to disrupt an entire industry, and it does focus on what industries will be disrupted in the future. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. When you're ready to disrupt an entire industry. The book is 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. If you like this channel, I need for you to hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, if you are interested in how to make money online, check out the description and also check out the pin link for how to make money online. If you like this video, please share it with someone who is interested in building wealth, or share it with anyone who is interested in improving their finances. Again, on your way out, please hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button if you got any value out of this, and the notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. And if you're interested in making money online, check out the link in the description, and the link will also be in the pin link below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.